Right, this is my alarm clock. It's part of my OU 21st, designed for the 21st century. OU, it's part of my project to design an alarm clock. Here's a digital time that comes up. I've set my clock for 8 o'clock. As you can see here, is a speaker. It can either play your favourite music or favourite sounds, or for me, I would like bird song. So that's that. What's this Apple doing on top? No, it's not an Apple alarm clock. I've just put an apple there. I could have put a Satsuma orange, or I could have put lemon essence. This actual prototype actually has aromatherapy. You can wake up to the smells of apple, Satsuma, lemon, your favourite perfume, just about anything that wakes you up, because they said the smell of lemon juice actually invigorates you when you wake up. So there's your smells, and there's a light on top which actually flashes, and I'll show you how the insides work. Right, if we take the apple off, right, and we take off the speaker component, as you notice, I've made it with a glossy finish, so this could be in wood or it could be in a black glossy effect, or even white, just like some of the mobile phones that took the speaker off there, and we're going to see what it's actually made of. I'm just going to rest the phone here for one moment and just uncover the rest of the box. Okay, as you can see, it's got a spinning mechanism in it which diffuses the smell of apple and also operates the spinning lights. And that's just the cushioning on top, because ideally, first of all, I made the actual dish fly off in here like a flying saucer, but I thought that was a little bit dangerous, so I opted to just pivot it on there. However, the next updated model could actually have a spinning disc on the top of it, a bit like spinning disco lights with a frisbee, which would actually whiz around the room with the sound of music and flashing lights and a smell, which would wake the person up. So that's my design for an alarm clock.